Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! In Grammar 1.9.1, we looked at how to express locations with 在. For example, I'm at my friend's home. 我在朋友家. He's at the hospital. 他在医院. Now we change the sentences a bit. Now there are actions in the sentences. How do you think we can say these in Chinese? I'm having tea at my friend's home. He works at the hospital. Now there are verbs in the sentence. How do you express the same ideas in Chinese? In this grammar video, we will look at how to say where an action is taking place, how to specify the location of an action. Let's turn our textbooks to page 66 and take a look at grammar point number 3. Simply put, to express locations of actions, we still use the word 在, meaning at. The word 在 doesn't change. What changes is just the different sentence elements. For example, I am having tea at my friend's home. 我在朋友家喝茶. So the construction is 在, meaning at, plus place, plus the verb. Another example, they are reading books at school. 他们在学校看书.
龙江，你在做什么？
我在看书。
你在哪里看书？
我在家里看书。
很好。
Another example, he works at a hospital. 他在医院工作. Always make sure to put location phrases before the verb. The location phrase here is underlined, at a hospital. So at a hospital, always need to go in front of the verb, which is 工作 in this case. 他在医院工作 and not 他工作在医院. Never 他工作在医院. Always 他在医院工作. My son works at a hospital. 我儿子在医院工作. All right, time to test your skill. How do you say, I am reading at my friend's home? 我在朋友家看书. How about, my friend works at the hospital? 我朋友在医院工作. 我朋友在医院工作. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.